So, what is a Varidrive? A Varidrive is a mechanical device that allows you to change the speed on a piece of equipment. This is the Varidrive in an old Sheldon lathe. Varidrives like this were used in lathes, mills, even lawnmowers. So how this functions is, there's your drive belt from your electric motor. It runs a jack shaft that goes across. That belt is driven on this pulley. This is a shaft, drives that belt. That goes back to another jack shaft, and then those belts go up to your spindle up there. So how this functions is, this and this side are connected to the shaft. This and this side float on this piece. And so what happens is, on this particular piece of equipment, there is an electric motor back there, a gear motor that runs a chain. The chain hooks to a lever that moves back and forth like this. When it does, it moves these variable sheaves back and forth. So that changes from a big diameter to a small diameter and back and forth. So that's how it functions. It's called a Varidrive because it is variable and it varies the gear ratio basically, but the ratio. The ones in lawnmowers, the way they work is the entire Varidrive moves back and forth, and it's completely mechanical. So you have a belt that goes to your engine on the lawnmower. You have a belt that goes to your transmission. This entire drive moves, so the belt that is on the high part of the pulley gets tighter, and the belt that's on the low part of the pulley gets looser, and the sheave in the middle, which it doesn't have all this, it's just tighter together, so it moves back and forth. And that's how that works. So, guys, that's a Varidrive.